Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular interior over here. So let's continue it. So we'll be modeling the chairs over here. For that, what I'll be doing over here is like, let's take a line tool over here. So I'll just take a line tool. I'll create a line over here in this way. I'll just drag this down. Let's go into this, go into rendering, enable in viewport and make it as rectangular over here. Now slightly reduce its width if needed and slide a bit of its height over here. Again I'll go over here, I'll put a copy over here, so I'll just make a copy. Again I'll go over here and I'll take a chamfer box. So let's take a chamfer box. So if you want to make it slide a bit of curve, I can slightly select this and let's give a bit of fillet to it. So I can slightly assign a bit of fillet over here. I'll just push it over here. You can slightly add a bit fillet and I'll make a copy of it. Again I'll go over here, I'll take a chamfer box. Let's go to the top view and create a chamfer box over here. I'll slightly just shuffle this up. Again I'll go into this. Slightly I can scale it and increase its height over here. Convert to poly. Before I convert to poly, I can slightly reduce the fillet of it. I can just give the segments over here. I can add some segments. Let's convert to poly and let's give a FFD box modifier. So I'll be adding a FFD box modifier. So let's go into this, select this, now select this, slightly just push this out. We can just tweak it a bit over here in this way. So once it is done, I can slightly go into this and shuffle it a bit inside, and again I'll go to the top view and again I'll take one more chamfer box and I'll shuffle this a bit up over here. We can slightly reduce its width and we can slightly reduce its length as required over here. Slightly same over here. I'll go into this, select this, push it up. Again, let's convert to editable poly and let's give FFD box. So I can add FFD box over here. So let's select this, select the vertices slightly, we can make some changes. And also for that again I'll take a box for the support at the bottom over here. We can put some support over here at the bottom. So convert to editable poly, select the vertices and slightly just place it accordingly. Once it is done, okay, now similar way we can again take a pillow. So if you want, I have this, I can make a copy of it, or else I'll make it separately. So I'll just push this up and add some length and width segments, and let's give turbo smooth over here, convert to poly, and let's give a cloth modifier. After that, go into object properties and let's give a cloth, let's give a silk, give some pressure, click OK, and gravity I'll keep it as 0, and let's say simulate. I can just simulate it, so I can easily simulate it, and let's convert to editable poly, scale it slightly and rotate it and push it over here. So I'll just keep it, I'll slightly scale it if needed, I'll place it over here, I'll just save the file once again. Let's select this whole thing and push it over here, and I'll just make a copy of it. So I'll just save the file once again. So we have multiple assets over here that can also be created. So let's take a line, can create this plate or something. So for that I'll again go over here, alright. So select this, push it up in this way. So again I can go into this and give a lathe modifier and make it as max over here. So we can do some changes if needed. So again I can go into this and give a shell modifier. So I can slightly reduce the size of it. Let's go into the vertices and whatever changes are required. So again I'll go into this and I'll push it a bit down. So let's convert to poly. So I'll just push it. Push it up. Alright. Again I can go over here again, take a line tool. Alright. And let's again give a lathe modifier. Go into the vertices, activate this and push it a bit inside, drag this up. Alright. So I'll just give a shell modifier. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we're going down a bit slowly over here. We'll definitely cover it up. A lot of things. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.